Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Bitcoin, we are trading at $20,569. 24-hour volume, we are down 20%, and market cap, we are down 0.1%. So taking a look closer on our daily chart, I am going to go into immediate short term for 4 hours and 2 hours as well. But it does look like we are near the end of this beautiful uptrend. We can see with the MACD indicator, the gradual pull of the histograms or these bars, which does strengthen the momentum. And now we have this bar right here, which is lighter in color. So the momentum itself may be slowing down, and we may see Bitcoin come back essentially in this area that we have our supply and demand at the 20,000 all the way up to 20,200. If we were to replay the same kind of scenario back here on October 6th, we can see again gradually the histograms coming up and then gradually it coming down, and it initiates that pullback correction in the market because we have been pulling up multiple days ever since October 22nd in this fantastic bull run here, breaking through our 20 moving average. And essentially, we are going to come back down and correct the marketplace. So essentially, if we can take a look at closer days in here of an area where the fib charts was a good retracement tool, really we're looking around the 38 to 23% where price was pulled back into. And as we can see with the RSI itself, it is fairly far apart with our K and our D line. So it's not going to initiate that selling opportunity. We are still considered to be coming up to being overbought here. The RSI so far is at 67%. We are most likely going to see that pullback again if we do reach up to the 80%. But if we take a look at Bitcoin so far, all of our major pullbacks were around 65% and 61%. And it already being in the high 60s, we may see that pullback and initiate that selling opportunity here. So let's head over to our 4-hour chart. We have seen again this beautiful uptrend, a pullback, and then another uptrend coming down to a retracement around 23% of our fib. I am using high Kanashi candlesticks here. That's why it looks a little bit different. But overall, we can see the overall trend itself is coming back down. The reaction that we're getting for our Bollinger Bands is squeezing in. You can see from this outburst, we can see that the candlesticks were hugging very, very closely at the upper band itself, and then essentially coming back down here. We see the RSI has triggered a selling opportunity at this highest peak. However, with the Bollinger Bands coming in a narrow channel, we're going to see Bitcoin bouncing from resistance to support and resistance. So we're going to see it going into a consolidation phase. And if we were to pull out a new fib from there to see any types of retracement levels, we can see it roughly around this line here, again at 38% of our fib, which is further down from our 20 moving average. So if we were to break the 20 MA here, essentially it's going to break that downtrend, and hopefully that does trigger an opportunity here for people to buy as we want more attraction to Bitcoin for the price to continue to come up. The RSI here is at 55 and 65%. So until we see a buying opportunity, we are still going to come back down. And of course, the momentum of the MACD indicator, we only had one little bar for the green at an area of resistance here at the 20,900 and then retrace downwards. So let's take a sneak peek here at the 2-hour mark. And again, here we can see retracement level at 50%, and we can see the Bollinger Bands are narrowing in once again. MACD indicator is still looking strong for the downtrend that we're seeing. We can see multiple of these histograms in the momentum of the price coming down. And this is going to be roughly our target here at the 38%, which is 20,400. If not, we can see the next retracement level couldn't really hold a whole lot. I am going to take out the fixed range volume profile, and take a look from this uptrend to here. So we can see most activity occurred above the 61% with these nodes in volume. Again, if we do see the next retracement level of 23%, there is this one node that attracted a lot of either buyers or sellers, but this would be our next area of supply and demand if we're taking a look at where the price may lead to in these chunks right here. So 20,100 to 20,200. So those are my targets here. We are still going to see Bitcoin continue to come down. We are already past the 50% threshold, but we can see that the two lines itself are gradually getting further apart. And normally when that happens, it doesn't trigger that buying opportunity and it still doesn't work, or it still doesn't look too good if our MACD indicator is still showing in the red. So let me know what you guys think down below. Like and subscribe to the channel as well, but I'll see you next time. Bye.